Alrighty, guys. So, just a quick little unboxing here, along with the point of this video. Alright, so, apparently the first time I ordered this, everywhere it said it was DDR2 RAM for the Samsung N150 here, but it actually turns out it is DDR3 instead of 2, like Samsung advertised. And, well, not advertised, but like it was in the specs and everything, and everyone else put it for 2 gigs as well. So I went and bought 2 gigs, and turns out it didn't really fit. So yeah, I should have looked up pictures on it, since that is actually better, since I can tell what kind of RAM it is. So here's the N150. Here's the new package. It's actually a pretty large package for, I mean, what it is. I mean, it's about like half of this right here. That's about as much as it is, and use this big ass bag. So yeah, let me move the tripod back here. It seems a bit close. Alright, let's rip this thing open here and get to installing this. And I just got home, so yeah. Yeah, bags are complicated. Alright, so inside a receipt, and here it is. I went with Crucial because I've bought Crucial RAM before. It's actually alright. I don't really know how you would rate it. I mean, yeah, so I went with the Crucial. What is this? Yeah, see, I think it was, yeah, let's see here, where is it? Doesn't really put much information, but I forgot. It was a Crucial 2 gig 1 stick, DDR3, I forgot the speed of it. It was, I don't know, but it's made in China, according to the box. So, oh god, this light keeps dimming itself. There we go. Alright, so here it is in the box. I thought it was open already. It's kind of wobbling a bit in the back. But here it is. There you go. Bought this for $35 shipped. So, yeah, let's open this thing and got it. There we go. Alright, here we go. Got it out finally. And there you go. It. Alright. So now let's go to the netbook here and open it up and swap out the RAM. Alright, so obviously you want to turn that off and then take off the battery. It's just common sense. I mean, if you don't want to get like electrocuted, shocked, or whatever, I don't even know if that might happen. Probably will, but I wouldn't risk the chance of finding out. So yeah, just get a Phillips head, and there's one screw back here. It's really simple, just that one screw. Take that screw out, and yeah, it says memory on right next to the screw, so it's not really that hard to miss it. So take out the screw, and the tray just pops out like that, and it falls on the ground. Alright, so here we go. Yep. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure before I actually go anywhere else with this video that it is correct. Because, yeah. Alright, so, then you get this little compartment down here. Just focus this thing here. Okay, hold on. Lighting's really bad. I need a new light for my video and photography, so yeah. But here we go. Alright, so you can see here there's two little silver thingies, clips here. Just pull those back and the RAM should just pop up like so. Alright, now that's sticking up. You can lift it up some more. Well, just look a little bit more, and it just slides out right out like that. The original one in here is a data. It's, I don't know, it's not even Samsung. What the hell? I don't know where it's made. Probably Korea or something. I don't know. But this one is made in China, and it's by Crucial, product of China. It says it right on there, a little sticker. And on the back here, it's more China and recycling. And yeah. Alright, so basically, you just hold it up like this, match it up, and it should just fall right in. There's a little plastic thing, thing here that actually holds it all together. Well, not all together, but holds it in place. So, just want to get it like that, and just push down to make sure it's actually in, and so that it clips in place like that. Then just push it down and clip. Alright, and you just reinstall what the hell, reinstall the cover, and bam, you're done. There you go, 2 gigs. Yeah, it says this needs to be refreshed. Let's refresh this. Memory operations per second, 4.5. So it's from 4.5. My god, I hate it when this happens. Fucking hoe. It's being gay. I need to plug in the AC adapter here real quick. Oh no, the Velcro on the thing caught on my carpet. Ew. Okay, now let's go. So it's going from 4.5 to, let's see here, and the rating on my actual computer is actually not available. So it went from 4.5 to 4.6, not 0.1 difference. I don't know, I'll have to put it to test to see if it, like, I don't know, but running like around 10 tabs of pictures and still browsing on one tab, that was actually still moving pretty smooth. And yeah, and that was with the 1 gig here. So yeah, alright, that's it. Thanks for watching.